Okay. Breakers Island! Are you kidding me? My voice just doesn't stop. My voice just keeps cracking. As soon as I start sounding like that, my voice cracks. My voice cracks! That was fake. Breakers is baby tonight. Cause baby tonight, the DJ got us all in love again. And baby tonight, the DJ got us falling in love again. I don't think I sound so good in doing like that. I sound weird as heck, but my voice cracks. It just makes it even worse. That was actually not a fake one. Mon amour. Wait, listen to this. I'm trying to go into a soft tone, but as deep as I can until my voice cracks. Like this. Baby, it's that. Wait, I'm thinking of something. Abracadabra, Moronana. Abracadabra, Abracadabra. Why I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Cause baby tonight. Oh my god. What? That was a real one. Why does my voice keep cracking now? Oh my gosh. It's baby time. Cause baby, you know that I want you. You know that I... Oh my god. Cause you know I want you for the rest of it. That was just some random ass melody I made up. I'm getting at the worst voice crack. I can't. That was sound. Cause baby tonight. Oh god. Cause baby tonight. And you gotta fall in love again. And baby tonight. You gotta fall in love. Cause baby tonight. Cause baby tonight. I gotta stop now. Bye.